Okay, let me start it again. Today I want to show you how to use Google Earth. So it's that simple. You go to Google. Of course, you have to sign in off already. I have my account here, and you use this little dot here, and you come down here, Google, open it, and give a couple minutes so everything just be ready. Now it's ready. Let's say you want to know where I am here, Boston. You go to Boston. Here we go. Boom. So this is Boston here. And I mean, Boston, Massachusetts. It can even show you the city. Oh. So if you want to see a specific place, you say convention center. Let's see what we get. Okay, they're showing many convention centers, so let's choose this one here. And here we go. The convention center in Boston. Okay, so if you go all the way down here, you can see that it's really big. It's a big place for big events. Okay, great. So let's stop here and see